Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, it's that time of the month again where my lovely Stitch Fix, I don't know why I held that up, but where my lovely Stitch Fix comes in the mail. It's actually several days early. It wasn't supposed to get here for like 5 more days, but apparently my stylist just had to get it out right away, so I am not complaining. Let me just start off by saying that this return package, don't need it because everything is amazing as always. It was kind of funny. In my last fix video, I think I talked about how I had like this horrible dream that my stylist left. Well, she commented and she said, "Don't worry, Gretchen, I'm not going anywhere." And I'm like, thank God, because I don't know what I would do without her because she's just amazing. But anyway, so for this fix, I was like, I'm done with summer. I'm over it. I don't want any more summer clothes because, you know, it's the end of August, so pretty much summer is coming to an end. I think we have a whopping month left technically of summer. Don't need any more summer clothes. Let's just start going into like transitional pieces for fall. Amber D took that and ran with it, and I am so happy she did. Every pick this month was amazing. I did ask for one thing specifically. I think I asked for just jeans, because all of the jeans, like regular jeans, not shorts, but jeans that I've gotten from Stitch Fix in the past are all now big because they were all size 6s and now I'm a size 4. I asked, I was like, can you just send me, you know, a regular pair of skinny, little bit of distressed jeans? And she did, and I absolutely love them. But they are size 4, so that's good. I'll probably ask for another pair in this next fix just so I can have a little bit more variety, not wear the same pair of jeans all the time. But yeah, so this month I got like a little bit of everything. I got the jeans, so that was my pants. I got a dress. I got just a regular top. I got a jacket, which I'm so excited for. And I got a purse. And I surprisingly really like the purse. Sometimes I'm a little iffy about purses, but I really like this one. It's like a hobo look. So I'm really excited. And I also really love when you get these like suggestions, like over here with the jeans, that green jacket, you can't really see it, but I got that last fall, which I absolutely love that jacket. That jacket is amazing. And just to see what they would suggest you wear it with. Sometimes I sit there and I question and I'm like, how is that gonna look okay? But, you know, they're the stylists. I am not. I go by what they tell me. Let me not drop this. So, let's just go ahead and get into this fix. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna show you are the jeans that I've already discussed. They are by Cut from the Kloth. I absolutely love that brand. There are certain brands that I really like Cut from the Kloth, 41 Hawthorn. What is the other one that I really like? Market and Spruce. Those are like my top 3 that I really like. But yeah, so they're just regular jeans. Have a little bit of distressing on them. I mean, just a smidge. I like a lot of distressing and a lot of cutouts. So maybe for the next pair that I ask for, I'll be like, send a little bit more of a, like a really distressed look. This is a nice, just a little bit of a detail pair of jeans. I do have some where it kind of looks like the knee blew out. And I used to be one of those people where I was like, why would anyone pay for that? But then I got a pair and I'm like, oh, this is actually really cute. That's why. So just a regular pair of skinny jeans. Nothing extravagant or stunning, just a pair of jeans that were completely necessary. So, like I said, these are they're Cut from the Kloth. They are the Dayna Distressed Skinny Jean, size 4, and they are $88. Now, I've gotten a lot of people commenting on videos before saying like, why are you spending all that much money on clothes, blah, blah, blah. Like I've said before, if it is a good quality item, I don't mind spending a little bit more. You know, I'll be the first to say that. I go to Target. I love Target clothes. Pretty sure this hoodie is from Target. It's from somewhere, I don't remember where. No, Old Navy, my bad. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's nice to also have good quality items that are gonna hold up maybe a little bit better. And that's what I find with Stitch Fix, is that a lot of their items hold up better. Not to say that anything's wrong with Target clothes. Most of my wardrobe is Target. Just saying. But for anyone commenting, why do you spend so much money on clothes? That's why. They're good quality items, so lay off. Next up, I have this top. And first of all, super soft. It is by Market & Spruce. It is just a really good transitional piece. It is long sleeved. It's a little bit longer. Covers the bum a little bit, little bum action going on. It is like a, I don't know, like an oatmeal. Like that's an oatmeal color right there with black. So it is kind of like a really light brown and black combination. It's just stripes. You know, you could easily wear this probably with black leggings and boots as well, which, believe me, I cannot wait for boot season to come back. I need to buy new boots. Like, all my boots are too big now. But yeah, so just a regular tunic top that I absolutely love. And this, again, is by Market & Spruce. This is a size small. Oh, it says it's taupe. I was calling it oatmeal, my bad. It is the Zansia curved hem knit top, size small, $58. Again, don't come for me for prices because I'm willing to spend it. But it's super soft too. And I think it'll be a good early fall top. I mean, shoot, even into fall. All right, next up is the dress that I got. Now, I think I've pinned something. I've either pinned this exact one or I've pinned something similar, but it is like a shirt dress and it's by 41 Hawthorn. It is size small. It's like a navy. I love the print, love the sleeve length. It comes to like a little bit past my elbow, so it doesn't quite cover up like my squirrel and sunflower tattoo, but it covers up my tiger tattoo on my thigh, which is pretty cool. So I could easily hide it for work if I needed to. It also has this button so you can release the sleeve in case you need to do that. But it is a shirt dress. It has like a little tie around the waist. Really comfortable. Really comfortable. Now, I will say that Amber D said that she was a little leery about sending me this one because of the fabric. I do have sensitive skin, so certain fabrics my body just does not like. Okay, so it's 100% polyester. You know, sometimes polyester is a hit or miss with me. This is super comfortable. It's very lightweight and cool, but also very fallish. You know, this is something you could easily wear with flats or boots. I just love this thing. So this is by 41 Hawthorn. It is called the Cristen shirt dress. And it is navy. I can't tell if on camera it looks black, but it is navy, which I love. I absolutely love the color navy. And just the pattern is like this really pretty floral. I absolutely love this dress. Size small, $78. Again, don't come for me for prices. All right, so next up is the jacket. I am so amped for this jacket. I have been needing something along these lines. I had a faux leather jacket a while ago and it was like a double XL. And I haven't gotten a black jacket like that since. I loved that thing, but double XL is a little big on me now, so can't wear that. This is a size small. It is by Liverpool, and it is called the Bradford Moto Denim Jacket. Me holding it up is not gonna do it any justice, but you'll see the clip of me wearing it. It is a very lightweight, heavy coat, if that makes any kind of sense. Like, it's not a heavy coat, but it's got some insulation to it. It's a Moto jacket. It's just, I don't know, I love it. I don't know how to describe it really, but it is an amazing coat. I am so excited for this. I can't wait for cool fall days or nights when I can wear this. And it just looks really cool on. But yeah, me holding it up's not doing it much justice, but the clip of me wearing it will. But again, this is by Liverpool, Bradford Moto Denim Jacket, black, size small. It is $98, but to me, a good coat is going to cost that. So I have no problem spending that. Plus it's black, so it's amazing. All right, and the last thing in my Stitch Fix for August is this purse. It is like a slouchy hobo bag. This is by Street Level, which I'm not sure I have anything by them. It is the Finley Hobo Bag. And it's like this brown camel color. I love this. This is like, this screams fall. It is double strapped, and so you've got like the two side pockets and then the zippered one in the middle. It's a really nice fall purse, and it's plenty big, so I can hold all the crap that I take with me everywhere I go. And it is, did I say the price? No, $58. Again, I'm willing to pay that. It's a good quality purse. I think it'll hold up, and it'll go with a lot in the fall. So this is like reminiscent of like 2008 when hobo bags were like really big. So everyone's gonna wanna know the cost. By the way, this is Fix number 17 for me, which Can't believe I've had 17 fixes. Like, that's insane. So with everything, Stylist Picks subtotal is $3.80. That's probably one of the most expensive boxes I've ever had. But if you buy all 25 with the 25% off discount, brings it down $95. So that brings it to $2.85. And apparently someone signed up with my link, which is in the description below if you are interested in signing up yourself. My referral link is down there. So I got $25 more off. So the grand total for all of that is $260, which I think is phenomenal. I mean, a dress, pair of jeans, a really nice top, and a purse, and a jacket. I forgot the jacket. I mean, $260 for all that, that's amazing. And I have the style pass, if anyone forgot that. So I do plan on keeping everything. I absolutely love everything. I don't even know what my favorite is. Possibly the jacket. I really like that jacket. It's all really awesome. So Amber D did an amazing job for our first fall box, transitioning into fall. I am so excited for fall. Needs to hurry up, as we can see with my pumpkins and my skull. Let me know in the comments below which item you liked that I got in this box. Again, I don't care about what your least favorite item was because it's going on me and I'm buying it, so I really don't care if there was something you thought looked bad on me because it all depends on what I think. But if you had a favorite item, let me know in the comments below, or if there was an item that you might ask for yourself, you should let me know below as well. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big old thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I still haven't figured that out yet. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload a video. I try and do it every Tuesday and Friday at like 2 p.m. but sometimes I'm kind of a procrastinator, so that doesn't always happen. But until next time, bye guys!